Welcome to Buy Spares. In this video we are replacing the door lock on a Candy tumble dryer. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure it is first disconnected from the mains. To get the correct part for your machine, make sure you get the model information off the rating plate here. Then go to the Buy Spares website to order the right part for your model. Take out the two screws at the back of the lid, then push it from the front to release it and lift it off. We are going to take the control panel off, so take a photo of the wiring connections. Pull the connections off and remove these two screws. Take the door seal out by pulling it towards you to remove it. To get the front panel off to get to the door lock, take the two screws from both sides of the panel at the top here. On the left hand side, you only need to remove the top screws that go through the cabinet in the front ring assembly. Leave the bottom ones as they go into the hinges and don't need to be removed. There are two screws on the right hand side that go into the front ring assembly, and there are two screws at the bottom of the panel. Pull the front panel forward and there is an electrical connection on the door lock. Take a photo at this point, then pull the connections off and lift the panel away. There is a screw holding the door lock in place on the front of the panel. Hold the door lock at the back while you are taking the screw out and lift the door lock out. Place the new door lock into position and refit the screw. Refit the electrical connections and use the photo from earlier if you need to. Place the front panel back against the cabinet and fit the screws back in. Replace the control panel. Refit the screws. We can now use the photo we took earlier to refit the wiring connections. The door seal will clip into the ring assembly. Refit the kick panel and slide the top back into position. Then refit the two screws at the back. And there we have it, one door lock replaced on a Candy tumble dryer. For all the spares you need, visit the Buy Spares website.